Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I just wanted to talk to you guys about why I haven't been creating any videos in a little over a year. So last year was a really bad year for me. I had a rollover car accident on the highway in February and had a lot of PTSD from that. So it took me a while to get comfortable driving again, and I wasn't creating anything at that point due to that. In the summer, I had some health issues going on. And October, I started having some different health issues going on. And November 7th, I was diagnosed with MS. So I have been dealing with that. I'm doing Ocrevus treatments currently. I just started those in January, and I've been on some medication that's been helping. My husband passed away December 7th, exactly a month later. And then exactly a week after he passed away, I had to have a hysterectomy. So I just had a lot of stuff that was going on all at once in my life. And I've had absolutely no desire to create with everything that's been going on. I just recently, probably within the past 2 weeks, have started getting into creating again. So I do want to start sharing some card making videos with you. I'm currently staying at my parents'. I've been here since my husband passed away, so I don't have the same setup as I did when I was at my old house. But I'm going to try my best and see if I can get some card making videos started and posted. But I did do an unboxing video today, and I just wanted to share this with you. I hope that everybody's doing great. I really do miss you guys, and I miss posting videos. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you. Here's the items I wanted to show you. The new leaf collection. This is a red rubber background stamp. The Charming Duck Pond Bundle. This is a photopolymer stamp set, and it has matching dies. I really like this big die. It has the lily pads, and then it cuts that whole thing out, and then the cute little ducks. Then we have the Unbounded Love bundle. I love all the sentiments on this. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. And then these dies I love. They're a lot of label dies. It does have some floral dies as well, but I love these labels. Those are going to be a lot of fun to use. Then the Country Birdhouse bundle. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. And these dies cut out the birdhouse. And I like the different tops to the birdhouses on this. I purchased some embossing and folders, the Eyelet 3D embossing folder. Let me just open this one up. If you guys can see that. It's very pretty. This comes with the Country Birdhouse suite, I believe. And then the Exposed Brick 3D embossing folder. This one's not brand new, but I had wanted it and didn't have it. I'll show you guys this one so you can see. And then this one I thought was really pretty, the Layered Florals 3D embossing folder. That one doesn't want to come out. That one, that's really pretty. That would just make a beautiful background for a card on its own. Then the new in color paper. We have Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, Shy Shamrock, Summer Splash, Pretty in Pink, and then they have a new basic beige, so I got that as well. I'm excited to use all of those. I also got the blends for the incolors. I love using my blends, so very excited to get to use these. The incolor ink pads, and then also the basic beige ink pad as well. I got those, and all of my re-inkers I just decided to purchase now. I usually purchase them as soon as I purchase my ink pads, just so I have everything all at once. I did get some embellishments, so I wanted to show you those. Some of these are brand new, some are not. Some have been around, but I just needed some more of them. The ombre matte decorative dots. The iridescent foil gems. The adhesive back dapple dots. The opal rounds assortment. The adhesive back sparkle gems. The purple fine shimmer gems. The 2024 to 2026 in color shimmer gems. The adhesive back dots for days. And the rhinestone basic jewels. As you guys can tell, I absolutely love having lots of embellishments to choose from. I also got the 2024 to 2026 in color 6x6 designer series paper. I'm going to show you guys that. Just bear with me. You can see all the different designs that they have. And then the Lily Pond Lane 6x6 designer series paper. This one I need to find my scissors to open for you guys. Okay, so I had to find my scissors quick. Try to keep this in here so I can stick it back in. But it's got very cute little images on it. The kois, cute little ducks, little lily pads. It's a very cute paper. And then I also got the Thoughtful Journey 6x6 DSP as well. If you can look through this. These designs are gorgeous. I've seen them used on cards already, and they're so pretty. Here, let's go this way. I love those purples and those blues. Just very pretty paper. So that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to show you guys the new stuff that I ordered. I can't wait to create with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind just subscribing to my channel, you'll be alerted when I post new videos. I am planning on trying to make some new card making videos. As you know, it's been a while since I've done that. And I hope you guys will be around to watch. Have a great day. Bye.